Everyone aims to achieve financial freedom, so we tend to save the majority of our income. But focusing on growing our cash alone takes a lot more time and effort. I'll show you how investing in real estate can fast-track your financial freedom. I'm Edric Magwan, and this is The Real Deal! Welcome to my channel. I'll be sharing with you real stories and practical investment strategies so you can have the confidence to start and grow your real estate investments today. In my early 20s, I always kept most of my savings in the bank. Super saya ko tuwing nakikita ko umaakyat ang balance ng bank account ko. But then I realized that relying on my paycheck alone takes a lot more time and effort to achieve my financial goals. Talo pa ako sa inflation. So I learned to shift my mindset from growing my money to building my wealth, which is the ultimate path to financial freedom. The way to measure wealth is through net worth, which is your total assets less your total liabilities. So how can you grow your assets faster? First, we have to understand that there are two kinds of assets: non-appreciating and appreciating. Cash is a non-appreciating asset, or what I call the sleeping asset. It doesn't grow if you don't use it. In fact, its purchasing power shrinks due to inflation. Ikaw lang yung dapat natutulog, pero yung pera mo dapat walang tulugan. Which brings me to what I call the working assets, or appreciating assets like real estate. They work for you even when you're asleep. Unique to real estate, not only does it increase in value over time, but it also generates cash flow through rental. Given that net worth is assets less liabilities, the question is, should you always avoid liabilities? The short answer is no. Another unique advantage of real estate investment is you can use borrowed money or home loans to acquire properties that appreciate significantly more than the interest. So while you're slowly paying for the property, you're already gaining millions in the process. Let's see just how big an impact real estate investment has on your net worth. Person Y has 1.2 million pesos in the bank and has free cash of 30,000 monthly. He could choose between option A to save all this extra money or option B to invest in a property worth 5 million, paying 1 million in cash and getting a home loan of 4 million with a monthly amortization of 30,000. At this point, his net worth is 1.2 million for both options. After 5 years, under option A, he would have an additional 1.8 million in cash since he did not use this free cash to invest, giving him a net worth of 3 million. While under option B, with a monthly rental income of 20,000, he has accumulated additional cash of 1.2 million. At the same time, the value of his property has appreciated and is now worth 8 million. Meanwhile, his remaining loan is 3.3 million. So under option B, his net worth is 6.1 million, more than double of option A. When you constantly shift from sleeping assets to working assets, your wealth will grow quickly and exponentially. So start investing in real estate today and get on the fast track to your financial freedom. And if you need help in getting the right property investment for you, send me a message or sign up for a free consultation with me via the link in the description. And if you like this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you guys next time!